Martin pinatulan si Julia Montes kahit 16 years old pa lang ito?
Parang.
Yung pagmamahal mo kay Julia.
Alam niya na yun.
Amen.
Speaking of tanggol,
T11 ang anniversary.
Ang galing mo, ha?
Sabi ko
Today, we're gonna be talking about another viral issue. Tungkol kay Coco Martin na di umano'y groomer daw sa kanyang karelasyon na si Julia Montes. Totoo nga ba ang groomer at si Coco Martin? Does age really don't matter? First, let me give you a brief context. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala, Rodel Pacheco na si Anceno o mas kilala na bilang Coco Martin is a 41 years old actor, director, and a film producer. Ilan sa mga sikat na teleserye at pelikula na pinagbibidahan ni Coco Martin ay tulad ng Minsan Nang Kita'y Ibigin, FPJ's Ang Probinsyano, Ang Batang Quiapo, at marami pang iba. Sa kabilang banda, si Marahoti Schnitka or mas kilala bilang si Julia Montes is a 28 years old actress and model. Some teleseries naman na pinagbibidahan niya ay Walang Hanggan, Pedlicara, Asintado, Daw Lamang at marami pang iba. Now, let's go back to the issue. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, ano nga ba ang groomer or child groomer? According to Wikipedia, child grooming is befriending and establishing an emotional connection with a child under the age of consent, and sometimes the child's family, to lower child's inhibition with the objective of recently ay naging usap-usapan sa social media ang ginawang pag-amin ni Coco Martin sa kanyang karelasyon na si Julia Montes. Sabi ni Coco sa interview niya,
Napakasarap ng pakiramdam namin dahil ito, 12 years na kaming magkasama. Pero pareho pa rin ang gaya ng dati. Nilook forward namin kapag may project kami na magkasama kami. Nami-maintain namin yung privacy sa buhay namin.
bukod dito na ikwento din ni Coco Martin na noong 21 pa lang siya. At bagets pa si Julia ay nagtangka siya rito pero ni-reject daw ni Puman siya. Sabi niya,
Kasama kami ni Jules noon. Ano pa siya nung bagets? Mga 14? 13, 14. Na siguro mga 21. Nagtangka ako sa kanya. Nagtangka mambola, na-reject ako. Parang feeling ko, ganun .
now, because of this, maraming netizens ang umalma at napakumpute bigla. May nagsabi ng, Julia is 28 years old, Coco Martin is 41 years old. They have been in a relationship for 12 years now. 12 years ago, Julia is 16 years old. Coco was 29. Is Coco a groomer? At sabi pa ni Nicole Pingol, Julia was 16 and Coco was 29. I always believe that age is just a number. If both are consenting adults na. Sa situation na ito, I think may grooming. However, let's dissect these numbers and dates para naman tayo ay malinawan. Again, Julia is 28 and Coco is 41. Una silang nagkasama as love team sa Walang Hanggan, which was 2012. So, 2023 minus 2012 is equals to 11 years. 28, which is Julia's age, minus 11 years is equals to 17. 41, which is Coco's age, minus 11 years is equals to 30. Basically, 17 years old si Julia at 30 years old si Coco at the time nang sila'y naging love team. Regarding the viral issue, nag-post naman ng clarification ang Dreamscape Entertainment. Sabi dito, to set record straight, it's a 12-year working relationship. So if 12 years, 2023 minus 12 is equals to 2011, which was the pre-production of Walang Hanggan year 2012. Meaning, si Julia is 16 at that time. So yung sinasabi ng karamihan. So if you look at the bigger picture and we compute all the numbers, and if we collect all the threads, it all boils down to the idea na pinagkapal silang dalawa despite having a big gap in their age. Mailan naman na bukas ang isipan sa relasyon ng dalawa. Sabi naman ni KD Aquino sa isang tweet, alam nila yon. The reason why they didn't disclose it until this year. Pointless na rin to put emphasis on him being a groomer since she is not a minor anymore. Unless Coco likes to jump relationships with minor girls. Tweet naman ni Hopeless Romantic Penguin, agreed, if he's doing it over and over with different girls, yun ang mali for me. Dami lang malilinis at nagmamalinis na gustong sirain si Coco.